Did you know that every year in Greater Manchester, we collect about 223,000 tonnes of food and garden waste? We can recycle this into compost. All food, including raw and cooked, vegetable peelings, leftovers and food that has gone off, can go in the food and garden waste bin, along with the leaves, grass, dead flowers and clippings from your garden. Let's see how we make this into compost. First, your council delivers your food and garden waste to a local transfer loading station. Any wrong items put into the bin, like plastic packaging or plant pots, will have to be removed before the waste is sent to the composting facility. When it arrives, the material is loaded into a shredder to be cut down into smaller pieces, and a magnet removes any pieces of metal. The food and garden waste is loaded into sealed aeration bunkers, where all the microorganisms get to work breaking down the material. Air is blown through, which helps the decomposing process. After a short time, the temperature in the compost stack reaches 65 degrees, and this must be maintained for at least 8 hours to sterilize the compost material. It will stay in here for 3 to 4 days before continuing on its journey to a farm, where it will finish being made into compost. The compost is now put into long rows, called windrows. Each windrow has an air pipe underneath that allows air in. The compost is in these rows for 6 to 8 weeks to finish the decomposition into compost and let it cool. It is tested to make sure it reaches certain environmental standards, such as the PAS 100 standard. The compost has a final screening to break up lumps and remove any large pieces. This compost can now be used as a planting medium or fertilizer, putting nutrients into the soil to help more plants grow. The compost is used on this farm to help grow wheat, which is milled into flour and then made into bread in Greater Manchester. Recycling your food and garden waste to make this peat-free compost helps the environment and makes sure that we don't waste useful resources. And this is a good example of the circular economy and recycling, all done very close to home.